Guys, good morning. Welcome to Panoypoy Heights. Panoypoy Konsolasyon. Mani siya ang morning view. Direta sa Panoypoy Heights to Cebu City, Mandawi City. Lapu-lapu di pa kay klaro kay nagfog. Sayo ni sa buntag nga video. Kay sayo may na abot dire, sayo may nagbike. Kauban ako akong brother. This is my bikes. This is my brother's bikes. Together with him. This dog is the owner is my brother. Joke. Okay, maadjong bunta.